Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I am the owner of Imagine Wellness, and I want to talk to you today about an invisible nutrient that is missed in food science. This invisible nutrient I want to offer as consciousness. So consciousness meaning, are you aware of what you're eating? Consciousness is not one of the 6 macronutrients. So in food science and as a scientist, you have 6 macronutrients. You have carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Then you have vitamins, minerals, and water. And there is an invisible nutrient, which I love to talk about, is awareness. Are you aware of what you're eating? And can you pour some love into that meal? There is a massive difference between eating a meal with love versus eating a meal with disdain or disgust. How you experience that meal is also massively different. And if that feels so woo-woo for you, it is proven in research studies. It is proven that when you have meals in a very loving, playful, safe environment, metabolism and digestion and the choices of the quantity of food is much different than in environments where there's fear or there is lack of security or there is even anger or distrust or discourse. Metabolism is different. The quantity of food that is chosen is massively different, and also digestion is different. So the invisible nutrient of how you're eating your food 100% matters. It's also super hard to quantify how you eat, almost impossible. So you need to be able to be aware of it, talk about it, process it, and make changes, because how you eat can sometimes be more than just an individual thing. It's in a collective, societal, social environment, so it requires conversation or shifts in the environment with other people. And that is much harder because it's vulnerable and requires connection, which is so hard in our environment. So the invisible nutrient that could be missing in your lifestyle is consciousness, awareness, and love. And ask yourself, am I having these things in my plate? Am I having these things designed in my diet? And if not, it might be the thing that's missing. Again, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford. If this was valuable, hit like and subscribe. And I have a bunch of videos you can watch. I have my own practice, Imagine Wellness. It is nationwide, where I coach people into untangling obstacles in their food, body, weight, and eating. And thank you so much. Bye.